Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to use Elementor to design a web page on WordPress. So when you have finally set up your hosting, you'll be asked to log into your WordPress account. So you will land on a page that looks similar to this. Now we try to log in now and try to design a page using Elementor. So the password, so we are in. Now what you need to know about using Elementor to design a page is that Elementor can't function without a theme installed. Now let us check the theme that was installed in this website. Okay, so you can see an WooCommerce theme was installed. So we will try to change that to a theme that is more compatible with Elementor. So you can come here and just type themes compatible with Elementor. So you can see these are the themes that are compatible with Elementor. Just pick a theme you want to use. I normally use Astra theme, but you can use anything you want. And you also have to note that using different theme will give your Elementor different looks. For example, how the header will look like or how the footer will look like. So we'll be using Astra theme for this. Now to install a new theme, click on add new. So you have a page like this. So you can either upload the theme if you have the file on your computer, or search the theme here and install it, then activate it. So now we have two Astra. Mind you, this is the Astra we will be using. So click on install. After it is installed, click on activate. So we have a new theme that is compatible with the Elementor we'll be using. Now we already have Elementor installed in this WordPress account, but how you can install a plugin, I will teach you now. So click on plugin just over the options. You have three options in the sidebar: install plugins, add new plugin, and plugin editor. Now click on add new plugin. So once you click on that, you can just search the plugin you want to install right here. So as you can see, the Elementor page builder is already installed and activated. So and this is it. So these are add-ons for Elementor plugin, which you can use to further design your Elementor page. Now the next thing is to create a page we will be designing. So click on add new. To view all the pages you have created, click on all pages, but we are adding new page, we click on add new page. Next, name your page. Let's say company. So just come here and click on publish. Now that link is live. Now click on edit with Elementor here. Now you'll be reloaded to the page whereby you use Elementor to design your page. So you can see here we have a new page to design. Now let's begin. And you can see the footer, it says powered by Astra WordPress theme. So how we can edit this, I'll show later in this video. to change it to your own liking. Now, to begin, you can either hide a section or install a theme or a template. So let us install a template. We'll be adding section later. So you can see Elementor has tons of beautiful templates you can use, but mind you, we are using Elementor basic version. I will be creating a video how you can design Elementor using Pro version. So as you can see, any template tag with Pro, you can use it unless you go Pro. So we try to work with a free theme today, and the next video we will be working with Elementor Pro version. So let's suppose we are designing a page. Let's say for a restaurant. So you can just select this thing. It's made for restaurant. If you want to design a page for vacation hotel, you can use this thing. For digital business, you can use this. So the theme has many functions you can use that will make a beautiful website. So we also have coming soon page, we have blog post page, we have product page, we have company page that are free that we can use. So we select a template now and get on with it. Now let us go with this one. So to preview a template you want to use, click on the plus button you see here. You can see the template was previewed. You can see. So this is the template we'll be working with today. So click on back to library. Now to install it, now click on insert. Now before you can use Elementor, you need to connect your account to template library. So you click on get started and you'll be prompted to log in your account. Now let us create another account. So we'll be using, first of all, open your Gmail. All right, so we'll be using this email. So paste it here. Click on create account. So the account was successfully created. Now connect it to your Elementor library. So you can see it has been connected. Now we can be able to use Elementor templates to design our own page. So the theme is installed. Next thing is to begin to design your home page. Now you can see the theme right here, and if you want to preview how the theme looks like, just click on the I button you see here. Click on it, you will see it will open a new tab by itself and give you a full preview of the page. So you can see this is the theme we'll be working with. So let's get on with it. Now so let us try to find an image. Let's say we are designing this website for a t-shirt company, that is maybe a company that advertises that people should come and design t-shirts with them. So let us find some t-shirts. Okay, so let's see this t-shirt mockup. Let's click on this. Now let's find a suitable image to use. So to not waste our time, I'll just pick a random image. Let's go with this. Or let us use this. Okay, yeah. So download the image. You can just simply drag it or click on download. Okay, so this image is in ATM document form, so that means we can't use it, but we will try to screenshot it. So just screenshot. Now just save it with pictures, uh, Word. So click on save. Now to change this image, you need to click on this. You see, when you click on it, you can see the image right here. Now you may be wondering why is the image clear over here and blur, or kind of not accurate over here. I'll show you how to do that as well. So tap on the image and go to upload files. So this is how you upload all the images you want to use to design your website. So let's try to find. All right, so click on insert media. You can see we have the image right here. Now to make the image show clearer, click on background overlay. You can see the image is now clearer. Mind you, we have to screenshot this image, so that's the reason why we are not getting a very good image. So that will be it. Now I think we can make this some sort of, yeah, I think this is better now. So to edit the word, you see, just over it with your now double click on it. You can see, just double click on it, it will give you the chance to edit. So you can just say design your t-shirt here, the t-shirt here. So this is just another element. Click on this, the pencil icon, so you can see you can tweak it to our liking. You can also change the style. Suppose you want green, you can see it turn to green. So that will be it. So you can edit the height and the gap. You can see that exactly. So if you want to manually adjust a page using set of values, this is how you do it. Now let us try to do a sample right here. So if I enter 2, you can see, let's say I enter 10, you can see. Now suppose you only want to deal with the top, click on this, unclick it, you can see it. So any value you enter now will be only for top, you can see that. If you also want to enter it for bottom, you can see that. But suppose I click over here, you can see distributed it equally. So that's how you do it. Now if you want to add motion effect, just say something like this, and that's all. So if you want to add a background, you want to add a border. So what type of border do you want? Just select it and edit it. So position, do you want to be full width or incline or custom? It is better to leave it at default settings. This also at default settings, so it can automatically adjust. Suppose they load this page on a larger desktop now, it will automatically adjust to fit that screen. And suppose they load it on a tablet, it will automatically adjust to fit that screen. So that is called a website responsiveness. So now click on the responsive button. Now all this, do you want to hide it on desktop, on tablet, or hide on mobile? You can see as soon as I click hide, you couldn't see it again. So as soon as I click hide, you could see it again. So that's pretty much everything for this section, and that's how you edit everything using Elementor basic plugin. So let us try to edit this as well. Let's give it a name. Submit your t-shirt idea. Your t-shirt idea, and we will be happy to turn it into reality. Your idea could revolutionize the t-shirt market. So something like that, to just make it eye-catching. So that will be it. Now if you want to let it be small, just click on this. It's better you leave as a medium. Alignment, I'm sure we have all learned this when we are doing our MailChimp WordPress training. MailChimp get response training, so it shouldn't be new. And suppose you want to embed a link inside what you wrote. Sorry. So copy, come here, paste it. And you also have to take note of this, that when writing, don't form the habit of writing URL. It is professional to copy paste a URL because you can make a mistake. So once you have done that, now just click out. You can click on update. You can update it, and you can also click on preview, so you can see. So let's see what we designed. So this is what we designed. So you can see the animation we set earlier. So that's basically how you design an Elementor page using a WordPress page using Elementor plugin. So let's come here. As usual, click on this 6 dots. You can see what we have here. So click on this pencil icon. So you can see what is the plain what we have in this element. So to edit the element, click on the image carousel. We have 13 images right here that will be auto sliding. So maybe you want to insert your own, just click on delete. As you have deleted, you see nothing is showing again, so you can just mark it. You can see, mark everything and just create a new gallery. So insert the new gallery, and you can see it is sliding again what we have here. So now suppose you want to enter a text on this. Just come here, click on this. Now you can see, just drag it. And just write what you have to write. Companies are trusted partners, something like that. So like we did the other time, so click on the pencil icon and just click in here to replace it. Just click on this, and you can see it changed. And you can just edit how you want. Press, you can see. So designer, so that's how you pretty much design the whole of Wix. The whole of WordPress website. It is very simple drag and drop page builder. So you can also add elements here. Now suppose we are to add a YouTube video, just drag it. Okay, yeah, you can see. So let's try and find a YouTube image. So just copy.
Your business idea needs a website? So go to Wix.com. I know what you're thinking, another Wix ad. But before
So come back here and just paste it. Yeah, you can see what we have here. And if you want to use different platforms, this is Vimeo, Dailymotion, self-hosted. You can use them anytime you want. Now image overlay. Now this is the image that will be shown to people before they click to watch the video. You can see. You can see right here. So suppose we turn it off, it will show the original YouTube video. So as usual, you can preview what you have designed so far, and you can see here. So when you now click it, the whole video will now play, and that's it. So that's how you design a Elementor page builder. If you really want to know how to design websites, there is a limit to which a trainer can train you, but your job is to go beyond your training. Make sure to train yourself, design pages, take more research, experiment with different page builders, and in no time you will become a professional. So just click on update. So we have updated the website. So let us try to look it from outside. Yeah, so you can see the page we designed. So, as you can see, it's very simple. Now head back to the dashboard again. Now to edit, just come here, I think extra options. Go to customize as well. So footer settings, you can see it here. Click on that. So you can see it led us to customize, which I clicked the other time as well. So let's wait for it while it is loading. So you can see it right here. Good. So powered by. So suppose you want to write another word, just copyright web training class, then click on publish. Now let us try to reload the home, so let us check the footer. As you can see, it has already been changed. So that will be all for today. Next video will be exploring Elementor Pro. Thank you very much.